Stefan Fakir.
Sir, you're welcome to Om Shanti.
Tell me the mentality of the man.
See,
mankind.
Sati Babu, human beings are very lazy by nature. There are few people like me. I am Bahubali. I don't want to be lazy in my life because that is the death of my life. I want to be active to the last breath of my life because human body is active when heart is functioning, when lungs are breathing. That's why human body is alive. So I am a living man. I do every work myself. But majority of the people, initially when they are very poor, very miserable, they work very hard. And when they become very comfortable, they become lazy after wines, women, sex, 2x, 2 legs, 2 packs. They use a cattle life. That's why my best friend Longfellow said, in this world, broad field of battle, in the bivouac of life, be not a drum-driven cattle, be a hero in the strife. So what happens, this is a caution for these people. When you were poor, miserable, you were struggling very hard, and once you reach a comfortable position, now you have lost the track. You are just conformist. You are just in the comfort zone. Complacency has attached you, so they become cattle. They cannot grow. I take an example of your 2 great doctors, 4 doctors probably in your family. Satyanarayana himself a great doctor, Dr. Sunil a great surgeon, Dr. Mayuri a great medical expert, and Dr. Hari a great physician itself. Now what happens, they have reached a stage when they have a lot of money. But as Maslow said, once you have fulfilled all your basic needs, physiological needs, safety, security needs, social needs, self-actualization is your goal now. Self-esteem, how many people are interested, no? That's why he was worried. It is so shameless that a great scientist was born to be inventors like Newton, Einstein, Stephen Hawking, but they are shoemaker. What they are doing?
Shoemaker.
A man who has the ability to become Michelangelo, Leo da Vinci, and Shakespeare, he is selling vegetables on the streets. And so on and so forth. Means every human being born with a tremendous ability, capability, potentiality, and they have a natural tendency to grow. But as human being lazy by nature, once they have every basic needs fulfilled, they become complacent, they don't do anything great. But few people like me can never get rest because I want to do something. And my excellence is in so many areas, but I couldn't do, unfortunately, I am just ordinary, nobody knows me. People like G.V.K. sir give me some kind of opportunity so that some people could know me. But most of the time, I am just known because not proper guidance, not proper training, like see, I had been your son Satyanarayana, and my attitude should be mine attitude, not attitude of your children. I could be also like them minimum, or I don't know how great I could be, because my attitude is to become the excellent. I never get complacent. I want to be the best. I am best in physics, you know. I am best in yoga. Whatever I do the best way. If I clean the streets, I will do the best way. If I clean the washroom, I will do better than others. This is my childhood's degree of my Uncle Ram. Because I want to put my every second, every minute to make my best, because that is my certificate. Other day we met Dr. Ratnam. What I told? I don't need certificate from fools. The wise men will recognize me instantly, and fools will never believe me what I am. Because only the jeweler can know what is diamond, and the fools will treat it like some stones. So understand, sir?
Yes.
Now it is up to them, and I suggest to Dr. Satyanarayana, sir, don't force them. It should be a spontaneous overflow of their own ambitions and dreams and desires. And as I suggested you, I don't know exactly, you know far, far better than me. If you want to earn money, by being a community services doctor, you can't earn anything. Some government scheme is there, so you will get some kind of opportunity, you will earn your salary. But I tell you, in medical profession, there are hot belts, hot seats something. Like your Sunil is doing a great. A general physician, you are also okay. But in ladies, The most complicated and most demanding task is the gynecological doctors in demand, because there are a lot of complications in the the reproductive systems of the ladies. So any ladies I see, they are highly paid, they are much more paid, they do cesarean and they do a lot of more things. So see, if somebody want that by default I am a community medicine doctor, I couldn't compete in the best number one, so I was given some post and I'm satisfied that I'm not just a MBBS but I'm a MS or MD, whatever. But if you have some special interest, you can excel still. It is not a degree, Satnarayana. Our ancient sages and saints, Rabindranath Tagore, don't have degrees. Socrates don't have degrees. Buddha don't have degrees. साला डिग्री दिखाता चूतिया माँ के लौरे लिंजा कुड़ के. डिग्री क्या है रे? डिग्री दिमाग का इस्तेमाल किया तो आ गया तुमको. दिमाग का थोड़ा इस्तेमाल किया उसी में डिग्री आ गया. लेकिन जैसे तुम दिमाग का पूरा इस्तेमाल करेगा ना तो तुम आइंस्टाइन, न्यूटन, स्टीफन हॉकिंग हो सकता है. तुम ज्ञानो कॉलेज के बारे में स्टडी करेगा, समझेगा और प्रैक्टिस करेगा तो जितने ज्ञानो कॉलेज डिग्री वाले सबका गुरुजी बन जाएगा मेरी तरह. बंद.
Thank you.